This is a great substitute for vegetable oil for those that don't like vegetable oil, because palm oil is highly nutritious and you can make this delicious chicken stew with palm oil. Here's how I made it. First, I added my grated chili pepper and onions, then chicken to a pot. So now I'm adding some curry, ginger, thyme and black pepper to it, and some seasoning with bay leaf. Then I added some salt. So I'm just going to stir this and allow this to simmer. I won't add much water to it. I'll just allow this to simmer because the chicken was already cooked, and I believe that some of the water in it will come out while cooking. So at this point the chicken is ready, so I'm just dropping it and then I'm going to fry the chicken. So I added palm oil to the pot, and once it was hot I added the chicken to it and fried for a few minutes. So the chicken was well fried, so I dropped it and set it aside to focus on the stew. And then add more oil, then more onions, and then allow the onions to fry. Then added the tomatoes, the grounded tomatoes and pepper. I just added just one sachet of tomato paste, yeah, and then added some grated garlic. Now I'm adding paprika and more curry. So I'll just fry this for a few minutes, and then I added the chicken. I'll stir this, then add the chicken broth to it. So after stirring this, I then covered to simmer. So this is a very quick recipe, and palm oil is highly nutritious. If you don't like vegetable oil, it is a very great substitute, and I promise you it's very tasty. At this point the chicken stew is ready, and you can pair this with rice, yam, beans. Look at the final results. Let me know if you try this recipe out, and thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Don't forget to like, share, comment, whatever you feel like, and subscribe to this channel for more recipes. This is how I ate it, with some baked beans and white rice. Thanks so much.